I will be talking about multiple selling techniques which you should know. Let's go to selling techniques. Now, some of the selling techniques that you will come across and you should know. One is called as consultative selling. How many people have heard of this? Consultative selling. Okay, this is one of the things I will be covering. Consultative selling is nothing where you become better at need analysis of the customer, which means you act as a consultant to understand where the problem is, why he's trying to buy a product, for what reasons he is trying to buy a product. And based on that, you try to sell him the product. That is called consultative selling, like a consultant. Now, why is it so important is because when we go and meet the customer or talk to the customer, we are only asking one question. Yes, sir. How can I help you? And he will tell you, we are looking for a product, this kind of product. And then what happens is salespeople, they start talking about their product. So yeah, we have this kind of product. This has these features. This has this pricing. That is called transactional selling, and it doesn't work. What works in this world now is understanding the needs of the customer better, because every customer is different. Every customer has different buying motivations. So we'll talk about it, why consultative selling is important. Related to consultative selling only is called spin selling. It's a very popular term. How many people have heard of it? Give me an idea. Raise your hand. No. Spin selling is an acronym. There is a book that has been written by Ran Heckman. Ran Heckman on spin selling. It's an acronym for S for situations, P for problems, I for implications, and N for need of. So basically, it is a questioning technique. Like what kind of information you should gather from customer to be effective at consultative selling. Okay. So you should ask situation related questions. You should ask problem related questions, implication related questions, need of related questions. I will discuss this in details. Okay. But right now I'm just giving you an overview. So consultative selling or spin selling can be used as same thing. Okay. Spin selling is consultative selling is spin selling. Then comes solution selling. Now, solution selling is basically not selling your product as a product, but as a solution to customer problem. Which means first you should identify their problem and then position your product as a solution to that problem. Now, this is a very powerful technique. If you learn it well, your conversion will be trending around 30 to 40% easily. Whoever you will talk to, he will become your fan, no matter what that customer is. And you will be able to convince majority of customers. So positioning your solution or your product as a solution to customer problems, it may not just be product. It may be the overall package that you're offering. For example, let us say one of the customer contacts you. He wants to become a distributor of your product. Okay. Now, identifying what his buying motivations are through consultative selling, and then aligning your services or products according to that needs is called solution selling. To give you an idea, a very simple framework, how doctor sells. You go to doctor and tell doctor, I have a stomach pain. He doesn't immediately give you medicine like, okay, for stomach pain, take this medicine. He tries to understand where the problem is and then give you a solution. So that's the term comes from doctors, solution selling.